As with every OnPlan app, the Sales Capacity app includes a pre-configured dashboard to visualize and analyze your company's performance, like these KPIs highlighting all the key elements of your business. This chart allows you to visually observe and analyze your sales growth over time. Likewise, this chart on the right represents all of your company's sales broken by region, and you can then continue to filter and isolate a specific region to analyze deeper. For example, if we wanted to have a look at APAC, we can start unchecking all the other regions and focus our analysis on APAC. As with all OnPlan charts, you can take this a step further and drill into any specific data point to examine the source data. For example, if we wanted to have a look at this spike for October 21, the software will then take us to the back-end report and even highlight the specific data point we clicked on. And then we can continue our analysis further. It seems for APAC in the month prior, there were no sales, and likewise for the month after, hence why we have such a prominent spike for the month of October.